How to add a payment method in Meta Business Suite. If you want to run Facebook or Instagram ads, this video will show you how to add a payment method in Meta Business Suite. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign in to your Meta account. Now, click Settings in the left side menu. Next, select Billing and Payments. Click on Payment Methods. Then click on Add Business Payment Methods. Choose your payment type, such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another available option. Enter your payment details, including the card number, expiration date, and billing information. After entering the information, click Save. Your payment method will now be added and can be used for Facebook and Instagram advertising through Meta Business Suite. That's how you can add a payment method in Meta Business Suite. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.